Quick Write with Ollie! Let's practice writing the uppercase S. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the uppercase S. Watch me write the first one. I start just under the top line. I curve up to the top line. I curve down and around to the bottom line. Then I curve up just a little bit past the bottom line. That's an uppercase S. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Write! Start just under the top line. Curve up to the top line. Curve down and around to the bottom line. Curve up just a little bit past the bottom line. That's a great start! We want to keep our curves very smooth. Let's do our second one. Ready? Write! Start just under the top line. Curve up to the top line. Curve down and around to the bottom line. Curve up just a little bit past the bottom line. Great handwriting! Keep your curves controlled and steady. Let's keep going. Ready? Write! Start just under the top line. Up to the top line. Down and around to the bottom line. Up just a little past the bottom line. Great pencil control. Let's do another. Ready? Write! Start just under the top line. Curve up, curve down and around. Curve up just a little. You're getting smoother each time. Let's do one more. Ready? Write! Start just under the top line. Curve up, curve down and around. Curve up just a little. That one looked great! Look at your uppercase S's. Which one is your best? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today! You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab. Check out these other great learning videos.